Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at when this folder was created right here. Very important. So you see the folder, you want to know when it was created. Put the cursor on it. You're going to right click. You notice you bring up this look dialog box here. You're going to go all the way down. You notice you will see all of these pin, the tasks and all that. You go all the way down right here. The properties, you're going to click on that. Now when you look at it, you notice right up here. You show the type, which is a file folder. You show the location where it is. You show the size. If you notice right here, shows all of this size right here. What the file contain, right? If you notice right here, show it was created Thursday, May 2, 2024, and the time and everything right here. Notice right, if you click right here, so you can actually hide it. So this is exactly how you know when a file is created. Inside here, when you look at share, you notice you have option here, so you can actually share. When you click on security, this is what happened. Administration, previous version is right here. And customize right here. Click on general. So that's exactly, you know, all the document or when it was created. Right. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.